I had never experienced anything like this before. I'd never been hit by a tornado, never had to have that fear of what was going to happen, thinking that I'd lost everything.
Well, we were camping, and we got down there. Maybe an hour later, I got a phone call from my neighbor and said that we got hit by a storm, and you better come home because there's no roof. He said, I look up and see the sky. That was heart-dropping. You didn't know what you were going to do, where you're going to go, but Country Financial took care of us.
He had no idea that the loss would come. I didn't either, but we knew that we were properly prepared.
Well, when we started to move things back into our new home, I was so excited.
First time I walked in the house, I was like, oh, well, I'm home,
There's nothing like being home. It's the best feeling ever. Not only is Country Financial our insurance, but they treated us like family.
Relationships are the single most important piece of the puzzle.
I feel that from ashes, we got beauty, and I love it, and I'm thankful.